In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dictate with voice in OneNote. If you want to type notes faster without using your keyboard the whole time, voice dictation can be a really simple and useful option. This is especially helpful when you're brainstorming, taking quick notes, or just want a more hands-free way to work. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start dictating directly into OneNote on your desktop, using the built-in voice typing feature in Windows. To begin, open the OneNote app on your desktop and go to the notebook where you want your text to appear. Make sure you click into the page or note area where you want to start writing. This part is important because whatever you say will be entered wherever your cursor is currently placed. If needed, create a new page first or select an existing section so you're ready to capture your notes right away. Before moving on, it also helps to make sure your microphone is connected and working properly. If you're using a laptop, the built-in microphone will usually work just fine. If you're using an external microphone or headset, check that it's selected as your active input device. A quiet environment can also improve accuracy, especially if you're dictating longer sentences or more detailed notes. Once OneNote is open and your cursor is in the right place, press the Windows key and the H key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Windows voice typing tool. You should see a small dictation bar appear on your screen, which means the feature is ready to listen. Now you can begin speaking naturally and your words should start appearing in OneNote automatically. Try to speak clearly and at a steady pace. If you want better results, pause briefly between thoughts instead of rushing through everything. Depending on your system settings, you may also be able to say punctuation out loud, such as period or comma, to help format your notes more cleanly. If the tool doesn't start listening right away, check the microphone icon on the dictation bar and make sure it's active. If needed, press the shortcut again and try one more time. It can also help to click back into OneNote to confirm the app is still selected. And that's it. Once voice typing is active, you can quickly turn spoken words into written notes inside OneNote, making note-taking much faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.